start this company because according to the NFDA, or the National Funeral Directors Association, over 50% of Americans are choosing cremation over traditional burial options. And through customer discovery, on average, our customers face three main problems. One being that traditional memorial options have become outdated. There's an emotional disconnect between them and their departed, because when the ashes are returned to them in their urn, usually the urn is put on a countertop and there isn't much more you can do with it. Also, millennials are constantly moving from place to place, and they want something as mobile as a traditional urn, but with more sentimental value. Now, the solution to these problems is we want to incorporate a mix of modern and traditional design to appeal to both younger and older generations. We want to help bridge this emotional disconnect through our product, and we want to offer mobile memorial options for easy portability. Through customer discovery, we've been able to interview 134 people, and there were two main points that we got out of it. One being that funeral directors like Marika believe that in more progressive states like Colorado and California, biodegradable methods when talking about cremation have become ever more so popular. Second being that people are already doing creative things with the ashes of the loved ones. As for an example, Erica and her family brought her aunt's cremated ashes back to Rochester, and they scattered them within the nature in one of her favorite spots. This is Corinne D, and she represents our pet owner segment. She really cares about her cat, and she feels that it's one of her children. She moves from cities place to place every year and has a very liberal view of the world. This is Justin P right here. He wants to get cremated because he wants to avoid a financial burden with his family. He wants his ashes to return to nature after death, and really cares more about his moral legacy than a nice fancy tombstone. And for our value proposition, we have for those who have lost a relative or pet who want an alternative to the standard urn, Green Pheonix creates a unique and easy way for returning those ashes to nature. With a focus on apartment dwellers, Green Pheonix provides multiple mobile options to best suit the customer's needs, unlike the living urn and BIOS who only offer immobile solutions.
So this is our main product. It incorporates a modern design that's 100% biodegradable. It is an urn. So how you can plant it indoors or outdoors, as well as we would incorporate a variety of plants and seedlings that you can incorporate into the cremation. So you would use it by putting the cremains in the bottom portion, and then you can plant it indoors or outdoors. And like you can see here, the seedling was a bonsai tree, leaving yourself with a living memorial. These are our two product extensions. The first being a burial at sea option. You put the cremains in the bottom part, and you put it into the water and let it float away, and it would biodegrade into the water shortly after. And then below that is more of a permanent memorial. It's made from eco-friendly materials, and we would infuse the cremains into the top portion there of the glass, either with the departed's name or a personal portrait.
Okay, this is our competitive analysis. As you can see, BIOS is our biggest competitor. They are optimized for humans and pets, and they also offer a modern design. And we stand out because we offer mobile plant options and alternative urn options, unlike any of our competitors. And this is important because when millennials, they're moving place to place, they can't just pick up a tree and have it move with them. This is our business model slide. We'll be gathering our materials from Green Dot Bioplastics. We'll be getting our organic fertilizer from BioStar Organics, and we'll be getting our plants from a local nursery in Rochester, the Garden Factory. We will be shipping and fulfilling, and we will be directly selling to funeral homes such as Fagan's Funeral Home, and we'll be selling directly on our website to customers. Our marketing and sales plan, reaching out to Inventious, which is an Instagram page that has 1.2 million followers. They promote small startups to help get awareness and get their name out. And we'll also be reaching out to Petco and their blog. We feel that Petco is the best choice because they're a trusted brand in the pet community. And we'll also be going to several trade shows, two of the most important being the Global Pet Expo, because it's the largest animal trade show in the pet industry. They have around 7,000 buyers, and it's coming up in March of 2018. We'll also be going to the NFDA International Convention. They have around 4,000 buyers, and we'll be going to this one because this is where funeral directors and other companies get information and new technology.
So this is our 5-year projection. As you can see, we're going to be spending a lot of money on marketing because we need to find very unique ways to market our product because it is a very sensitive topic. And also in year one, our COGS per unit are $120, and we'll be selling at $250. And then towards year 5, it'll lower down to $80 for each unit. So part of our management team, you have myself, James Fagan. I'm pursuing a degree in international business and a minor in marketing. And I came up with this idea because I was raised in the funeral industry. This helps not only myself, but my team get a better insight of how people deal with the grieving process. And we want to help make the grieving process not only shorter, but let people memorialize their loved ones in a living way. We also have Daniela Squadro. She's pursuing a degree in business management, and then as well as Jose Ortiz, which is pursuing a dual degree in finance and economics. So moving forward, first of all, we want to build relationships with pet bloggers. We feel like the pet segment for our industry is very big. Second, we want to experiment with biodegradable materials. This meaning we want to make sure we're using the highest quality biodegradable materials, as well as being the least expensive for us. We want to refine our price point. Like I said before, it was at $250. We really want to understand if people want to pay that for our product. And we also want to connect with more marketing channels just to really get our name out there. So for today, we want to ask for $50,000 cash investment and key personnel. $20,000 of that is continued R&D costs. This is to work with our product extensions and get those out sooner rather than later, as well as $30,000 for marketing costs, like I said before, because we need to find very unique and creative ways to market our product. Also, we're seeking an investor with experience in supply chain management and logistics, and an additional teammate with the extensive knowledge of the materials science field.